waiting to go into the caverns here. We only have a few minutes. I did have an exhibit here and thought it would explain a few things.
I have to pay, so I'll go ahead and do that.
So this is just right outside of the area where you sign in. There's a nice little depiction of the caverns. It's very massive. I think Carol said that the bats, the large flock of bats that people watch come out, haven't arrived yet, that they come next month. We'll up at getting the guano out. We don't need to read that, do we? Oh, maybe we do. Guano mining. Yes, it's a fertilizer. Who'd have thunk it? I think it's time for us to go. Is it time for us to go?
It's time for us to go.
We are walking through the natural entrance to the cave, which is fairly high up. So here's the bat flight amphitheater down here. But I wanted to show you these cool houses they have for the residences over here on the hill. You can see all these rock structures, some adobe-looking ones above, but wouldn't it be wonderful? Maybe we could become artists in residence, Carol.
Holding out for Death Valley.
You can see again the bat flight amphitheater during the season. I don't know if they do it now with not so many bats here. But you can sit out and come in the evening.
And during the season, they have a ranger who talks about it. But that doesn't happen till April or May when they migrate back north. And we were wondering about that. I speculated maybe it's because the insects and such that they eat, are not around during the winter months. It's too cold for the insects. The bats might have managed, but their food sources didn't, so...
Yeah, I don't think the bats would have a problem because they're down in the cave, and the cave has sort of a constant temperature. You can see Carol's got her sweatshirt.
Oh, I'm ready.
They say it's supposed to be 56 constant temperature, but I just don't remember. I remember being warm and kind of stuffy, that it was humid down in there. And this is the amphitheater here. Look how big this amphitheater is. Holy moly. And then down there. Might be able to see the cave entrance.
So we're from Austin, Texas. I know we've mentioned that before, but we have a really large Mexican free-tailed bat community. It would have been nice to see these guys, but it's a little early for them, so.
Okay, we're going down. Okay, so here we get 750 feet, 1.25 miles. Strenuous, believe me, it is incredibly strenuous. All right, so this is kind of part of the coolest part, really. It's this cave entrance. Okay, I'll give you a look down. So those people kind of give you scale as we walk down, 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 down. And we're still in the entrance area, walking down, and it is super steep. We came in that way, sort of this alien landscape. Entering the dark zone, I could have sworn we were already in it. Look at this guy, a little more detail. A whale's mouth, almost like wax melted there.
He said, watch your head.
Yeah. And Carol's gonna give us light. Green Lake Room. This down. All the pocked rocks. It's kinda cool. How could we come all the way down here and not do the big room? There we have one almost touching right there. Yeah, that's a pretty cool form right there. Tell me you don't see a face right there in the middle. Now you see those stalactites up there? Yeah, they call it popcorn. Look at all the, it's like a bunch of creatures. There's another one that's attached. There's one that's been together for a while. This formation is cool because it's almost like feathers. It's like feathers. This is huge, like drapery. Shouldn't be too far from the end now.
Doing
Pretty good, and you?
good. Would you like to see something cool?
Sure.
Okay. So along this wall of stalactites here,
Right.
you have a formation that was broken off and then repaired. I'm wondering if you can spot that one.
Is it that really big one where the knot like is at the bottom?
Right here?
Over on the right, the last one?
Nope, not that one.
No? Okay.
Nope, another one maybe?
Well, it looks like there's a broken one actually right there.
Yep, so it's not that one. Give up?
Give it.
Okay. It's this one right here, so the one directly to the right of the column.
Oh, okay.
Right here, you
Oh,
might
I see
notice
it,
that, that darker line.
Yeah, I see that
So
now.
it's about a 36-inch piece, weighs about 22 pounds, and it broke in 2019.
Did it fall?
Someone probably broke it. It was just reported that it was damaged, and then I guess when it broke off, it slid down this like 45-degree angle flowstone and just kind of landed there. Mike Mansonar is the name.
Okay.
He repaired this
Yeah.
one with really strong adhesive, a really strong
Oh,
glue.
okay. With glue. Okay, I was looking to ask you what he used.
Yeah, he just painted it with a paintbrush, reattached it like a puzzle piece. And this is where the cool part comes in. He used what's called stalactijack, and it's got like an industrial size spring in it, and I'll show you a picture of it if you'd like. This is the stalactijack right here. So this darker piece is 55 pounds. This is the stalactijack, so essentially it has like this massive spring in here.
Wow.
You twist it as it goes up, and then that's the bottom of that stalactite fits perfectly in that bowl, and it keeps pressure pushing up against the formation. So that stalactijack stayed on the bottom of this speleothem for 2.5 weeks, and then he removed it, and it stayed, and it's been there for 3 years.
Wow.
He's done 2 in the big room. He's done 1 in King's Palace. He's done 1,000 across the country, though. I think he's actually in South Dakota right now by like Wind Cave, Jewel Cave area. Here we are like 30 years later, and he's still doing trips and taking new people out like myself. So I was out there with him a couple weeks ago, too.
All right, thanks a lot, Jack. Well, that was a very interesting discussion there. Seems like it just keeps going, and I took the shortcut. And we are here. But I don't know what to do because I do not see Carol. I think I'm going to have to go up the elevator without her. Well, boy, a lot of Carlsbad Caverns pretty dark. That ranger tunnel was pretty awesome. I mean, that's going to be great. But you can see, I mean, we've got 750 feet to go up. And, okay, one's going up. Yeah, this one's coming down. It's at 425 feet. You see that above there? Okay, it looks like it's 700, 725. Can't believe it should be here. Let's go up. Left the caverns. So if you look out straight ahead, there's supposed to be mountains out there, not just that one. The time we were in down in the cave till now, the wind has apparently picked up even more, and the visibility is near Zippo.
It is screaming out there.
You know, we were going to go look for a...
This bird. He gets blown into the hillside. Sorry.
We were going to look for some BLM campgrounds to boondock tonight. However,
the plans have changed.
So we'll see you probably next. We'll see you
The next trip.
All right. Again, thanks for watching, guys.
House.
Yes. And there's Trigger.
Yes. Oh, Trigger.
You can always get them up by saying cow, not Trigger. Yeah. All right. Thanks a lot. Thanks for watching. Bye.